Hello, in this video we will show you the location and how to remove and replace the heater blower motor and resistor on Mercedes Sprinter. The heater blower motor and the resistor on the van are located in the engine compartment right there. That's the heater blower motor. It's held by three bolts. And this is the electrical connector to it. And on top of this heater box is the heater blower motor resistor, which is right there. So first I'll start by removing the three bolts holding the heater blower motor and replace the heater blower motor with a new one. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. When all the three bolts are removed and the electrical connector removed, we can just pull out the heater blower motor. Next, we'll replace it with a new heater blower motor, put it on the heater box, and then tighten the three screws. Next, I'll remove and replace the heater blower motor resistor. That's what the resistor looks like. Next I'm going to remove the electrical connector from it and then replace it with a new resistor. Now that I've replaced both the heater blower motor and the resistor, everything should work perfectly now. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.